Come test drive the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.